Welcome to HAPLAST Group, where every Blockhead bag starts with a carefully controlled manufacturing process. Finished bag rolls are labeled for traceability before each bundle is packed for storage and shipment. After the film is converted into finished bags, each piece is cut to precise dimensions before moving to the next stage. Operators then stack the bags into uniform bundles and secure them with cardboard strips to keep every stack aligned. This packing method helps protect the bag shape, simplifies counting, and reduces the risk of deformation during storage and transportation. The same controlled process is consistently applied across different bag specifications to ensure reliable quality from batch to batch. Designed with a hanging hole, each bundle can be conveniently stored or hung for quick access. The Blockhead design creates a wider opening, making it easier to load bulky items. A perforated connection allows users to remove one bag smoothly while keeping the remaining stack neat and ready for the next use. Orders are prepared for shipment every day. With a capacity of 5,000 tons per month, HAPLAST supports large volume supply. Our certified production gives buyers greater confidence in every order. Supporting brands across global markets. Contact HAPLAST Group for your custom packaging solution.